Can I fix this cornet? Probably not, but let's have some fun with it. The mouthpiece is stuck in this shank right here. I'm going to try to use our bobcat to get it out. Mouthpiece goes in, tighten them down, and now we can use even pressure on either side. It made a popping sound, but it's still not moving. Haha! We got it! I don't know how many years this thing has been stuck in there. So the next question, am I going to be able to solder this back on and reattach the lead pipe? No, I'm not going to try to do that. Let's see if we can fix these valves next. They are frozen up. I need to get these bottom valve caps up. Luckily, this has a flathead screwdriver spot, so I'm going to try to do something like that and a rawhide mallet. It sounds kind of silly, but I think a penny's going to fit into this groove. Oh, it's moving! Okay. This is good. I can get the top and the bottom out. I can clean out this entire valve casing and the whole valve body. And valve number 2 is still stuck in there. There is so much gunk in here. This is ridiculous. What is that? Okay, someone suggested using the bottom of another valve, since it's a perfect fit, to help push out the other ones. I'm gonna give it a try. You didn't see me do this. It worked! Thanks to some ultra-corrosive firearm cleaning oil, I was able to get the tuning slide off. This is probably not very safe for your instrument, but it really has worked multiple times for getting things unstuck. Off camera, I will be running this snake through here with hot water. I'm comparing these valves right here, and you can see how this one has... Oh, I guess I cut myself. Sorry. Here's how this goes back together on this cornet. It's the valve stem, then a felt pad, then the cork, and then there's a plastic valve guide that keeps it from spinning out of place. All right, I've greased the slide. I've applied liberal amounts of valve oil. Let's see if we can get some movement. Will it play? No. There's something definitely wrong, other than this. I can feel it. There's a leak right here. I tried my normal trick of putting some paper to cover the spit valve hole where the cork might be leaking, because I could feel some air leaking, but even with it plugged, I'm kind of giving up. I don't know. I got the valves to move, I got the slides to move, and I got 2 of the 3 valve caps off the bottom. So that's a win for today. Us band directors don't really have a degree in fixing instruments. We learn a little bit of the basics just so we can get through class, and the rest we learn on the fly. I've learned something from today. I'm a little bit better than I was.